Miracles of Science, Class 5. Working of a magnetic compass. A compass consists of a small compass needle, which is actually a small bar magnet placed inside a metallic box with a glass top. It has a magnetized needle that always points towards the Earth's North Pole. So anyone with a compass can easily work out which way they are traveling because of the magnetic field of the Earth. The compass needle always points in the north-south direction, so it can be used to find direction.